Eliminate manual CAPTCHA interruptions and maximize automated workflow uptime integrates simply into existing stacks. Minimal code and immediate results robust. Reliable interception reduces failures and protects scraping reliability built for developers. Clean API, well documented. Predictable behavior automation teams regain hours daily by avoiding repetitive CAPTCHA, handling data engineers, keep pipelines flowing with higher success. Less retries, simple SDKs, plug-and-play connectors. Compatible with headless browsers, low-latency interception keeps throughput high for scraping and testing jobs. Enterprise-grade logging and metrics give visibility for audits, and tuning security-first design respects privacy, reduces risk, and meets compliance scale horizontally to handle bursts without man. UAL intervention or pileups cost-efficient automation reduces bot management overhead and operational expenses proven in production by teams needing resilient, uninterrupted data flows. Try a free trial or sandbox and verify performance in minutes. Visit product page, review docs, or contact sales for demo today.